Morning, guys. Let us do one beautiful problem from SBI PO means. This is a wonderful problem. Here it is given 12 persons are sitting around two circular tables as one is inside another. Okay. Two circular tables, the one is inside another. Okay. Those sitting in the outer circuit face towards the circuit, while sitting in inside circuit face they face outside the center. Right. There are six people sitting on each circle. How is the structure? The structure is something like this. Two circles. Whatever people sitting here will face inside, people sitting here will face outside. So for example, there are six seats, right? One, two, three, four, five, six. People will be here, and people will be here, right? People will be here and here. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 seats like this, right? So, so that's why I have taken, it's in, anyway, there are six seats, right? The six seats I have taken in this arrangement, hexagon kind of arrangement, because whether it is circle, hexagon, it doesn't matter now, because there are six seats. Six seats kind of circular arrangement. Okay, so what we will do? Inside people will write inside, outside people will write outside, both facing each other, right? The persons on this are exactly behind the person sitting around in the circular table. Okay, B is sitting second to the right of B. A, B, C, D, F are sitting inside circle, in the inner circle, right? Right. B is sitting to the right of E. E is sitting inside. B is also sitting inside. A, B, C, D, F are sitting inside. If these guys are sitting inside, E is sitting inside, E is sitting inside, what will be his right? Because he is facing outside, right? He is facing this side. So his right is this. So this becomes B. Right. B is sitting to the right of second to the right. This is first right, this is second right. Second to the right of B. R is an immediate neighbor of the one who faces B. The one who is facing B is sitting here. So that means R is either here or here. Let's see. R is either here or here. We don't know where. So where we are sure, we'll circle them. Where we are not sure, we'll keep them open. Right, R is either here or is here. Okay, R is only one person sits between C and F. Only one person between C and F. Either from the left or from the right. Okay, we don't know. C is not an immediate neighbor of E. That means C is not here. C is not here. C can be here or C can be here. C is in the inside circle. C has one, two, three, four slots. Right. C can be here, 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 here. Right. But C is not an immediate neighbor of E. So that means these two are gone. C has only two slots. Now he is also saying only one person sits between C and F. So C has one, anyway, they have only two slots. If C takes this slot, F has to take either this slot or this slot, right? One person sits between C and F, which is clearly not possible. So see, this slot is also gone. C cannot sit next to E, and if C sits, F has to sit in a way such that only one person sits between C and F, which is not possible. So C has only one slot. That means F has got this possibility or this possibility. We don't know. Right? F has got two possibilities. Let's see. Q is sitting behind A and Q sits second to the right of R. We have chosen two R's, second to the right of R. So R is facing inside. That means one Q can be here. Either Q can be here, second to the right of this R, or Q can be 1, 2, Q can be right of this R. But in either case, Q is sitting behind A. What does that mean? Q is sitting behind A. That means A can either be this or A can either be this. A cannot be this. What does that mean? So now, if you see, A and F will take one of these two questions. A will take this because F also cannot be here. A also cannot be here, right? F also cannot be here because between F and C, there should be one person. So F cannot be here, A cannot be here. That means this has to be D only. Right? D is also fixed. Right? A, F, we don't know. Q, R, we don't know. Right? D is also fixed. Q sits second to the right of R. This we had figured out. Only two persons sit between R and T, either from the left or from the right. Either two persons sit between R and T. So if this is R, then T has to be here. If this is R, then T has to be here. Right. Only two persons between R and T. U is an immediate neighbor of P. That means U and P are together. T is not sitting behind E. That means this T is gone. If this T is gone, this R is also gone. Then if T is gone, there is only one option for T. So this is T. If this is T, this is R. If this is R, then this is Q. If this is Q, then this is A. If this is A, then this is A. Wonderful. Right. Because T is not sitting behind E, T has to be this slot only. And R and T are to be opposite, two persons in between. So R will become this. If R will become 6, second from right of R will become Q. And Q and A, Q are sitting opposite to each other. That's why A becomes this. Right. Now we are left with P. P is not done, right? U is not done. S is not done. Q, R, T is done. How many are there? P, Q, R, S, T, U, right? P, Q, R, S, T, U. We are done with R. We are done with Q. We are done with T. P, S, and U are left. Right. U is an immediate neighbor of P. What does that mean? Here, P and U have to be together. So only one slot is there. P and U. U is an immediate neighbor of P. P and U, we don't know which one which. So what does that mean? S has to be here only, because those two slots will be taken by P and Q. So we have to give this to S. Now U is an immediate neighbor of P. T is not sitting with U. U does not sit opposite to the immediate neighbor of one who faces R. One who faces R is this one. U does not sit opposite to the neighbor. His neighbor is this and this. This is anyway taken. U will not sit to the opposite of the one who faces R, right? U is U does not sit opposite to the immediate neighbors of the one who faces R. Who is facing R? F is facing R. Who are his neighbors? B and E. U will not sit against B or against S. What does that mean? U has only one slot, that is this. U has only one slot. That remains P has only one slot, that is this. So this is the structure, right? So far so good. Then what he is saying, so we are able to derive the structure. He is saying if the card drawn is paid, the person who draws it exchanges its position with the other person facing towards him exactly behind or ahead in the other circle. What does this mean? We draws a spade. We draws a spade. What does that mean? Exchange opposite circle, right? Exchange opposite circle. What does that mean? If F draws a spade, then F and R will exchange each other, because this is inside circle, this is outside circle. So the within inside circle is all of this, and spade means the person who draws it exchanges the position with the person facing towards him in the other circle. So if F draws a spade, he will exchange with F will come outside or will go inside. If U draws a spade, U will come out inside, C will go outside. They will exchange their places. Very good. If card drawn is heart, person exchanges position with the person sitting second to the left of him within the circle. If it is heart, second left within circle. Within circle. What does that mean? If E draws a heart, who is the second left? E is facing outside, right? His second left will become this, right? His second left become D. He will exchange with D. Right. Similarly, if S draws heart, his second left will be P. P and S will be exchanging their seats. Right. The third condition is if the card drawn is diamond. If the card drawn is diamond, the person who draws it exchanges position with the person sitting exactly opposite to him within that circle. So if S draws a diamond, S and O will get exchanged. B draws a diamond, B and A will get exchanged, because they have to be within that circle, whether inner circle or outside circle, but it has to be opposite. The person exactly within that circle. Okay, so that is diamond means opposite within the circle. Right. Next, if a card down is club, person who draws it exchanges position with the person sitting immediate right of him with the circle. Immediate right. This is club. Club means right again within the circle. What does that mean? If R draws a club, he will exchange with S. If E draws a club, he will exchange with F. Because his right is F, not A. Right? Because E is all the inner circle people are facing outside. The right side is like this. The right side is this. F's right side is B. B's right side is C. Like this. Right? Now he is given like this. These are the condition. Now after this condition, then what he's saying, all the person draws cards in a serial way as given above. So then what he's saying, these are the conditions. After these conditions, he's saying these 8 operations have happened. First, E draw clean of club, then S draws jack of club, P draws spade, A draws diamond, whatever. So 8 such operations have happened. Now, after these 8 operations, people would have changed their states accordingly. Let's see what is the new arrangement if all of this 8 happens. Right. So this is the starting point. Now E draws queen of club. Club means what he will do? E should exchange his position right within the circle. E and F will get exchanged. Right. So what does that mean? This is the starting position. E and F will get exchanged. E and F will get exchanged. Right. E will go here. Right. E and F will get exchanged. Rest all will remain same because queen of club means right within that circle. So E and F. Rest all R S Q T U P R S Q T U P and C D A F C D A B. This all will remain same. C D A B. This all will remain same. This is the after first operation. This is the situation. Next, S draws jack of club. Club means again right within that circle. Where is S? S is right is Q. So S and Q will exchange. Rest all will remain same. A F E B C D. Then rest all R P U T. Right, rest all will remain same. This is after second operation. After third operation, P draws 3 of spade. Right. What is spade? We don't need to worry about what are the other digits. Jack, 3, 5, 10, king. This and all doesn't matter. Only thing that matters is whether it is spade, club, heart, diamond. Right. As per the third condition, P draws P draws 3 of spade. Spade means what? Exchange opposite with the opposite circle guy. Right. So what does P do? P should come inside, B will go outside. That's what we have done. Rest all will remain same. U C D T A S F Q R E. This is after third operation. Right. After fourth operation, A draws king of diamond. King of diamond means opposite within the circle. What will A do? Opposite within the circle, you will exchange with P. A and P will exchange, rest all will remain same. So C, D, E, F will remain same. Q, R, B, U, T, S, Q, R, B, U, T, S, they all will remain same. At the end of fourth circle, fourth operation. Fifth operation, D draws ace of heart. Ace of heart. Heart means second left within the circle. That is for D. D second left within the circle is first, second. D is facing outside. So D and A will exchange. Rest all will remain same. D and A will exchange. Rest all. You see. So outside U, T, S, Q, R, B. This all will remain same. D and A will exchange. Then P, F, E will remain same. This is after fifth operation. After fifth operation. Then what is sixth operation? Sixth operation is you draws 9 of heart. Heart means second left within the circle. Right. What is U? U second left. U second left is this. Yes, right. U second left. He has to exchange U and S and rest all will remain same. Right, rest all. A, P, F, E, D, C. A, P, F, E, D, C. Then B, R, Q, T. This all will remain same. This is sixth operation. Then as per seventh operation, C draws 7 of diamond. Diamond means opposite within circle. Where is C? C and diamond. C and F will exchange, rest all will remain same. C and F exchange, rest all remain same. Right, that is this. That is seventh operation. Then eighth operation is F draws 4 of spade. Spade means opposite circle, exchanging with the one who is sitting in the opposite circle in front of him. So that is F. F's opposite circle is S. S will come inside, F will go outside, rest all will remain same. So after all these 8 operations, this is the final question. This was the initial question, and this is the final question. Now let's look at the questions. After all persons change their places based on the above conditions, who among the following is facing S in the other circle? Who is facing S? F is facing the other circle. After all persons change their places based on the above conditions, who among the following is sitting second to the right of A in the same circle? Second to the right of A. A is facing outside. Second to right of A is C. C is the correct answer. After all persons change their places based on the above conditions, then who among the following is sitting to the immediate right of U? Immediate right of U is facing inside is T. T is the correct answer. How many persons are sitting between Q and B in the outer circle when counted from the left of Q? Q and B. Left of Q is facing inside in the outer circle. That means only one. Right. Only one. Four of the following are alike in a certain way. So form the group. A and T. A and T are facing each other. D and B, they are also facing each other. E and R, they are also facing each other. Q and F, there is Q. Q and F are not facing each other. U and P are facing each other. So Q and F is the one they are not facing each other. So this is the answer. Right. Hope you understood this, guys. We need to be little careful in doing these operations. In fact, extra careful and reading these conditions. The conditions were kind of straightforward only. We need to read them carefully because they are two circles. We should not get confused with the directions and be able to create this initial diagram. Only when we create this initial diagram and then create this structure and then these operations, then only we will be able to do this. Hope you understood this. Any questions? Please comment. We'll take this up again. Thank you, guys. All the best. Bye bye.